Hey, this is Matthew with Remedy Roofing. We wanted to put together a short video here to highlight a before and after of a job we did in the West University area of Houston. So you can see here the client started with what's called an asphalt composition shingle. And this roof had some storm damage to it, so you can actually see in this frame some emergency repairs we did to the roof. After the insurance company approved a replacement for this roof, the client wanted to upgrade from what he currently had to a clay tile. Problem was, this roof and most other roofs around town just aren't designed to support that kind of weight. Wasn't an issue at all though, because we were able to introduce the client to the Decra stone-coated steel product. Now this looks exactly like a clay tile, but you have none of the weight issues. It's actually one of the lightest products you can put on a roof. So here you can see some of the install process. Just after our crews had finished removing the old product. We've covered the entire roof in an upgraded underlayment, as well as made sure to put waterproofing material in all of the valleys so this client will not have any problems with leaks in the future. Now this Decra material is very, very easy to install. You can see it's installed in panels. The whole job took about 5 days. It's extraordinarily durable. He's going to enjoy some discounts on his insurance premium for having this product on his roof, as well as, given the lightweight, super energy efficient. He's going to enjoy up to 15% reduction in his energy costs. I couldn't be happier with the way this project turned out. The client was extraordinarily happy. In regards to the durability on this product, far superior than the asphalt shingle he had before. It's got a Class A fire rating, 120 mile an hour wind rating, and it's got a Class 4 hail resistance rating, which means this roof is virtually indestructible. If you have any questions or want to learn more about this product, feel free to reach out to us.